What's up, YouTube's Mama J? I'm glad you came back to see me. Let's see what we're cooking today. Today I'm going to do something like a KFC mashed potato chicken bowl. So stay tuned and watch me get this chicken going. So let's see what we're doing today. Like a KFC chicken bowl. So we're going to start off with some Tyson chicken. Let's see if I can get it open. Why go to KFC when you can come to Mama J's kitchen? This is gonna be good. Who does not like a KFC chicken bowl? I'll tell you what, everybody's gonna love Mama J's chicken bowl. He'll be back. Wonder if I can squeeze them all on. Probably not. Might have to make a few of them. Oh, that's okay. So let's do chicken. And we're gonna turn down the time some. I'm thinking about 15 minutes. You have to push it. Okay, so you can make homemade mashed potatoes, but like I said yesterday, if you watch my channel and you only have a little bit of time in the day, it's okay to use instant potato. KFC uses instant potatoes, same thing. So we have potatoes. I have jar gravy. I could make homemade, but like I said, when you're short on time and you gotta get some dinner going quick, this is the way to go. Let me find some corn. So I have corn, gravy, potatoes. I do have shredded cheese. I don't want to get that out yet. It's too early. I don't want the cheese to get softened up like that. So, like I said, we have chicken nuggets, a quick meal, mashed potatoes, gravy, and corn. So, I'll see you back in a bit. So right now I'm going to drain the corn. Oops, made a little bit of a mess, but who doesn't? Everybody makes a mess in the kitchen. When I'm cooking though, you gotta stay out of my kitchen. So when you're looking for a dinner, like 30 minutes or less, this is something simple. KFC chicken bowl, made at home. Yesterday I made chipotle bowl with the black beans and the corn, rice, chicken. Keep watching my channel and you'll see some nice, easy 30-minute or less meals to go. Drop a like and subscribe. When you're short for time, here you are. Gravy, corn, cheese, chicken nuggets, mashed potatoes. 30-minute or less dinner, here you are. See me later. So, like I said, we're going to put some shredded cheese on the chicken bowl. And if you see state of Wisconsin cheese, well, we won't be here too much longer, so keep following me. All right, cut. So as I said, I'm going to do partial cooking right now because I have to cook some more chicken. I am feeding a family of 6. So we got to make sure that we have enough. So this is the last of the chicken. Cook that up and I'll see you back in a bit. All right, so we're gonna get the potatoes going. I make mine with milk, so they're nice and creamy. And if you seen my channel yesterday for cooking, you know me, I love my garlic. So I'll do garlic mashed potatoes. That should be enough. And we'll put a little adobo. Give a little more flavor. Maybe a splash, or I should say a dash of black pepper. Oh, that's good right there. All right, so I'm gonna finish up the chicken. Actually, I'm gonna put some more out on here. I did stick some down in here just to keep them warm. But I did say that I was gonna cook them partial because I gotta get the potatoes going and get everything else going for the meal. I'm just gonna overlap them. They'll be fine like that. Because they're already cooked anyway. Okay, so I'm just heating up the gravy. Getting that started. Heat up the corn. Put that on for like 3 minutes. Stir that up. Just getting everything prepped before I get these chicken bowls going. Oh, that gravy smells really good. Alright, so let me see about my potato water here. So, like I said, I put milk, garlic, pepper, adobo, and some butter. Alright, so let's whip up these potatoes. They want to come out. That's good. Whip these potatoes up quick. So chicken is ready. They smell good. Nice and crispy. Alright, so I'm gonna make the first homemade KFC bowl. So potatoes, some corn, put gravy, and then we'll put the chicken. I think I'll do like 6 pieces of chicken. That should be good. And then sprinkle the cheese. And there you are. Mashed potato chicken bowl.
This is the, what is this called?
This is a homemade KFC bowl.
I can't cut it.
This is Mama J's KFC bowl.
I can't cut it.
Be careful, it's hot. Be careful, it's hot. Does it taste like KFC? Or better?
Better.
All right. Meet me back again. Thanks again. Like and subscribe. Mama J, out.